Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily integrate Jira with GitHub. For this particular task we are going to use new facelifted Zapier, so buckle up. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account or log in into account that we are using at zapier.com. Don't worry, it will take you only a few minutes to complete, and it's very well worth it. So on top left corner, we have this plus button of create Zap. Zap stands for integration. So we're gonna click there. On the top left yet again, we can name our Zap. So if you have to come back to it later, it will be easier for you to find it. So we go with the Jira to GitHub, just like that. And first one is trigger. So the trigger app will be Jira. Let's go with Jira Software Cloud, for example. You can pick from a couple of others like service management, software server. Event, let's go with a new issue. We hit continue. Now we have to pick an account. This one is expired. So I have to reconnect it here. And they need me to log back to it. 1 second, hopefully I can do it. And I can't. So let's say I have had account in somewhere. Service management maybe? New request, continue. Yeah, my account expired, but right after that, we are moving to action number 2. Well, for you, this is just a sign in, and this part is all done. So we go with GitHub. Same goes here. We have to pick an event then we want to integrate. So create comment, delete branch, create guest, create issue, create pull request, update issue. Tons of options. I'm gonna go with the first one. And also we need to connect into the working account that we want to make it all happen in. So that's about it. Once you sign in into your GitHub account, you will test the trigger on inside of the Zapier, and right after that, if you manage to sign in to both of those apps, you'll be more than able to make this integration happen. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.